Hello world! In this video we're going to explore a great new feature which has been added to NotebookLM, which is provided by Google. So just in case you have not heard of it before, please check it out. You just need to have a Google account and then you can sign up for free and then you can use it. So NotebookLM itself allows us to store any kind of information. So it could be text, could be markdown files, could also be YouTube videos if they have a transcript, and we can add them here and add them here to the source section. As you can see here, there's source. You can click on this one and then you can add additional files. As you can see from your Google Drive account or links from a website, YouTube, or just copy paste text. That would also work. And all these sources then are stored inside this specific folder in NotebookLM. And then you can use, for instance, here the option audio overview to create a podcast, which allows then the LLM in order to summarize all the data you have and then create an audio file which you can listen to, for instance, when you go to the gym or something like that. But now a new feature has been arrived, which is the so-called mind map. So this allows us first to add additional nodes. As you can see here, currently I have something from Anthropic, so building effective agents. If you have not heard of it, you can go through it, you can read this. This is an interesting document which tells you about when to use an AI agent, when not, because there are specific use cases for that. But in short, I just added here this as a source, and now I can create a mind map of it, which allows me then also to dive deep into the topic. So if I do that for now, I just select the sources I want to include in the mind map, then I click on mind map, click on this option, and then mind map now gets created based on the data I have. So that might take a little bit of time depending on the sources you have, but as soon as it's finished, we could see then the results and then we can click through it. So something like this in former times, so let's say a few years ago, would have taken a lot of time to do this, and we of course do have to do it manually, but now this is available in here. So let's just click on it to open the mind map. It's already done. You can see that this is LLM-based agent systems, and now you can take a look at the architectural overview, conversation memory, and so on and so on. All these ways are available in here. And here, for instance, building effective agents from Anthropic. I can click on this option here, and I can dive into the topic, and then I can discuss it here. So you can see that now I have additional topics in here, and also here it summarizes what actually this topic is about. And I can actually start typing here, so I can go in here, and then, for instance, let me jump to the bottom, ask a question about the context in here. So I can question my data in here, and all this is available, and I can dive deeper into the topic and learn more about it. So this is a great way to explore new content, and as I said, it's available for free. So if you have not checked out NotebookLM so far, give it a try, and also share your thoughts if you've used it. So what is your opinion? And if you enjoyed the video, give it a thumbs up. Thanks for that. Hopefully see you in the next one. And subscribe to the channel. Don't forget it. Thanks.